To weld and turn a ton-scale structure, an undersized positioner shakes on rotation, stalls when turning torque runs short, and accuracy and the seam collapse with it. For ton-scale parts, weight isn't enough, it's turning torque. Match payload and torque together, and a heavy U-frame stays steady and turns under load. EVS-DWP-U reaches 5,000 kilograms. Turning torque is sized from part weight and offset, and the annealed structure won't deform even under heavy load. First set payload and turning torque from weight and offset, then use 360-degree rotation plus tilt to bring every seam to its optimal gravity position. How to choose. First, weight and offset set turning torque. Second, does it need tilt to angle the seam? Third, seam tolerance sets indexing accuracy. The same payload plus torque selection fits construction machinery today and commercial vehicles, steel structures, pressure vessels, and heavy equipment too. Payload to 5,000 kilograms. The right payload and torque pick with no shake, and annealing keeps it stable long-term. Want the right heavy positioner for a ton-scale part? Talk to us.